Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Strealinem bras, and you can select website. They are selling different kinds of product, so you should buy any product on this store or not, and what are the major problems why you should not purchase any product on this store. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you this platform is approx like 1 year from now, and in the period of 1 year, like they don't have so much reputation on internet because their trust score is very bad, and the trust score it depends on lots of factors. Okay, and if we talk about like the problems, the first problem of the website is like the product they are selling right now all are available on, you can like amazon.com, all are available on different websites, so they are not selling any unique product. Okay, and if we talk about like the problem, the first problem is like contact information. They have not provided any kind of contact information, because when you purchase any product and the product is damaged and maybe you will not get your product after placing your order, in that case how you can contact? So contact information is also not available, and they have provided their Facebook, you can select Pinterest and Instagram, you can select icons, but all these icons are not linked with their social media account, so they are not available on social media accounts also. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy any product on this website or not, so basically you should not purchase any product on this website, and this website is not looking like a safe, and that's it. So my dear friend, this is my information. Now you can make your own decision, and if you have any experience with this website, and please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so save your hard-earned money. Don't try to purchase any product on these kind of websites. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.